Hi Hadi, today we are going to draw a very nice emoji. You can see that we already have drawn a circle. Now we are going to draw some outlines with the help of the sign pen. So first we are going to draw a finger. Just follow the sections and follow the style. Which part we are going to draw first and which coming next. These are the factors for making a very nice drawing. So you know the hand is done. Let's draw a line like this, and this is connecting here. All right, so the basic shape of the hand is done. Now this is coming to the lips, so we are going to draw an outline of the lips which is exactly looks like this. So this is the basic steps of drawing the lips. Now we're going to draw the eye. So you can see I'm doing the curved lines. So for the right eye, I'm just drawing the outline now. And for the left eye, I'm going to draw a little bigger outline. You know, all these drawings, if you can draw the cartoon shapes, so the expression is important, and the sizes and other things you can compromise, and you can actually make things better by making a different cartoon styles for you. That's how it does works. So we can put small, like little black things here for the eyeballs. Okay, now we are gonna put the color. So for the eye you can put the blue color. As you can see, I'm already putting it right now. This is also a blue color for the left eye too, you can see here. Okay, for the eyebrow we're going to put a different dark black color with the 6B pencils. All right, another pencil you can see here, I'm drawing right now. Okay, this thing also make black for the lips, just for the drawing. All right, and you know the hands, these parts make a little ash color so that it has a defined shades and the outlines for the body parts. All right, so you can see the hands, this is almost done. All right, now we are going to put the bright color for the inside of the circles. Let's use the marker for drawing the colors inside the circles. Okay, as you can see that I have started drawing the color from the left side. Okay, so covering the eye from all the sides. All right, okay, so the progress is going on. You can see there are lots of stuffs here. I'm drawing just right now. All right, so you can see that the outline is complete, the drawing is almost complete. This is a very nice drawing, nice emoji, have a very good expressions. You can go to the playlist of our channel and select lots of nice drawings in different categories. We have sceneries, we have fishes, we have another natural drawings, other stuffs, cartoons, lots of stuffs. So you can go there, have your own choices and start learning. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the new updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.